If I woke up tomorrow with zero savings, no safety net, and bills due next week, here's exactly what I'd do. Not theory. Not cup coffee. A step-by-step system I know works. And step number 4 is the one most people avoid, but it changes everything. Starting over financially isn't about cutting everything. It's about building a system that protects you automatically. Most people try to fix money with motivation, but motivation disappears when you're tired, stressed, or bored. Systems don't. So if I had to rebuild from zero, I wouldn't panic. I'd build structure. 1. Track every dollar for 7 days. No judgment, just data. The first time I did this, I found over $400 a month disappearing into convenience food. I didn't feel reckless. But the numbers don't lie. Clarity creates control. 2. Find the big leaks. Ignore the small stuff. Look for delivery, subscriptions, high-interest debt, impulse spending. One big fix beats 20 tiny sacrifices. 3. Define your enough number. What does survival actually cost? Rent, food, utilities, transport. That number becomes your baseline. Now you're not guessing, you're aiming. 4. Automate savings immediately. Here's the uncomfortable truth. If saving depends on leftover money, you won't save. Automatic transfer. Payday. Non-negotiable. Even $25. Because systems beat willpower. Quick question. Are you still relying on discipline? Because discipline works, until it doesn't. Design beats discipline. 5. Build a $500 to $1,000 emergency buffer. Not investing yet. Stability first. One surprise expense should not erase progress. 6. Cut recurring expenses aggressively. Subscriptions. Unused memberships. Overpriced services. Recurring costs are silent wealth killers. Cancel ruthlessly. 7. Use the 30-day rule. Want it? Wait. Impulse fades. Logic stays. This alone can cut spending dramatically. 8. Increase income early. There's a ceiling to cutting. There isn't a ceiling to earning. Raise. Side skill. Switch jobs. Freelance. Income acceleration speeds up everything. 9. Simplify food. Pick 3 to 4 repeatable meals. Decision fatigue leads to spending. Reduce decisions. 10. Sell what you don't use. Clutter equals trapped cash. Turn it into runway. 11. Replace paid entertainment. Walk. Library. Free events. Home workouts. Fun doesn't require financial regression. 12. Use free skill building. Books. Courses. Learning platforms. Higher skills equals higher earning potential. If this is shifting how you think about money, hit like and subscribe for more content like this. Because this isn't about being extreme. It's about being intentional. 13. Buy quality where it matters. Cheap often costs more long-term. If it's used daily, invest once, properly. 14. Negotiate everything. Phone. Insurance. Internet. Most people overpay simply because they never ask. One call can save hundreds. 15. Create controlled fun money. Even $20 per week. Total restriction leads to rebellion spending. Sustainable systems win. 16. Track progress visually. Charts. Apps. Journal. When you see savings grow, your identity shifts. I am someone who builds stability. 17. Start micro-investing. Small. Consistent. Automatic. Time matters more than amount. 18. Protect your future self. Insurance. Retirement. Preventive care. Avoiding catastrophe is wealth building. 19. Optimize the big categories. Housing. Transportation. Insurance. Income. Stop obsessing over coffee. Fix the big rocks. 20. Weekly money reset. Money drifts without attention. Once a week, check accounts. Adjust spending. Recommit. 5 minutes prevents 5 months of damage. Starting over isn't scary. Drifting is. Wealth isn't built from intensity. It's built from structure. And structure creates freedom. If I had to rebuild from zero, this is the system I'd use. Now tell me, which step are you starting this week?